In this video, I'm going to show you how you can disable downloads on Slack Workspace. So if you want to prevent download of sensitive documents, then the best thing you need to do is to go ahead and disable downloads. By disabling downloads, no one will be able to download documents or files from Slack Workspace unless they have permission to do so. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Alright, to disable downloads on Slack, go over to this Slack Workspace name and then click on this drop down. From this, head over to Tools and Settings, and then from here go to Settings and choose Workspace Settings. Now this will go ahead and open a new tab. Now under this, head over to this sidebar and go to Administration section and choose Security Settings. Now from this, head over to Device Settings, and here you can choose to allow or disable file downloads from either desktop or mobiles. To edit or change this, go ahead and click on Edit, and you can see here we can block by checking on the box near to desktop, or to disable on mobile. You can also check on mobile. However, if you want to allow using IP range for downloads, you can also enter them here. So for my case, I'll block on both desktop and mobile and then click on Save. And from now henceforth, no one will be able to download files on this Slack Workspace either using a computer or using a smartphone. So that's how you can disable or block file downloads on Slack. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.